Hey guys, so today I'm going to be transplanting my winter sown lettuce and arugula. These babies are ready to get out of here and get transplanted. There are so many in both of these containers, so I'm going to get those out into this raised bed. So over here I will do the lettuce mix, the arugula, and some radish seeds that I will grow in this container. So let me tell you a little bit about this raised bed. So this is the Keter Easy Grow raised garden planter. I'm going to have this in my enclosed deck. So I bought this online at Lowe's, and this is not sponsored. I bought it myself, but I have also seen it on Amazon, Overstock, and Wayfair, so you can find it many different places. So I plan on doing a full overview of all the features as well as a review of this garden bed planter in another video. So let's just get to transplanting these seedlings and opening these containers up. So I have fully watered these and they are looking absolutely beautiful. So many little seedlings in there. So this is the mixed lettuce seed, and what you want to do is turn the container upside down, holding it and trying to release the full chunk that's in there undisturbed. You will then start breaking it up. Now you could just do chunks and transplant it as chunks, which I will do that with my flowers. But with the lettuce, I am going to try to separate each seedling individually. So if you have it nice and moist, it should break apart fairly easily where you can just separate each and every one. Now the lettuce does need some space, so that is why I am breaking them up and transplanting each one separately. But I'm being as gentle as I can with each one as I transplant them. So generally you do want to do this on a shady day. I did not. It was sunny. But you know, this is the time I had to do it. And I started separating them out and trying to really choose the ones that looked the largest and the ones that I thought would be better. So if they were a little too thin or a little too small, I didn't choose that one to transplant. I did have way too many seedlings. So some of them I did have to get rid of. I had nothing really or nowhere to put them. So I just transplanted the strongest and biggest ones into this container. So I had so many extra seedlings that I decided to just put some more soil into the winter sowing container and transplant some of the bigger, stronger ones back into the container and use it and let them grow in there and use them. So now I'm just going to water my lettuce mix here before I start transplanting the next seedlings, which are the arugula. So the arugula looks amazing, absolutely beautiful. Lots of seedlings here too, probably too many to add to the bed, but same concept, just trying to wiggle it out in one piece. And this time I wisened up and put it in a separate container just to keep them corralled and separate them in a pan. And then again, transplanting each single one into this planter. And I probably left about 2 inches in between each seedling. So now I'm going to plant my radish seeds. I've had these seeds. I've been promising my husband I was going to do these, and I'm finally getting to them. And I don't really care for radishes, but he loves them. So all I'm doing is just making a little hole about 1/2 inch deep, and then I am going to add about 2 seeds to each and every hole. I think they were supposed to be further apart from each other, but I did them a little too close, probably about 2 inches apart. And well, we'll see how it goes. So now this is 5 days after I transplanted everything, and the lettuce is looking really good. This is the arugula, looking perfect, as well as the lettuce salad bowl mix that I did. Absolutely beautiful. The transplants into the wintersown containers that I transplanted them back are also doing beautifully. And my radish seeds are actually starting to germinate. It's only 5 days and there is already germination in here. So drop a comment below if you have a question, or tell me how your winter sowing is going or your transplants. And don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.